Hello, all creative filmmakers. In this video, I am going to show you 4 crazy title animations in Premiere Pro, as you can see. So, let's get started. Now we are inside Premiere Pro. Here, you can see, I have already got a text and a background video. First of all, select this text layer and move over to the Effects panel to add an effect. This is a Roughen Edges effect. Now, drag and drop this Roughen Edges effect to this text layer. Next, move over to the Effect Controls panel. Now, from the Edge Types section, we have to select Roughen. By the way, from here, you can try one by one of them. Now here, you can see the border section. This is the most important thing. If we increase the border value, you can see the changes in the program monitor. You can see, it is changing normal text to roughen. And, if we decrease the border value, you can see the changes in the program monitor. It is changing roughen to normal text. Now, I am going to animate this change. Normal text will change to roughen. That's why, move the playhead to the beginning of the text. Then, move the playhead 15 frames forward. Now, we have to create a keyframe to animate the text. That's why, click on this stopwatch icon to enable the first keyframe. Here, make sure the border value is 0. And then, move the playhead a few seconds forward. Now, click on this icon to enable the second keyframe. And here, make the border value 500. Now, from here, if we move the playhead slowly to the backward, you can see the changes. And, from the edge sharpness, you can change the sharpness value if you want. Also, from the scale section, you can change the scale value if you want. And, you can change the complexity. To make a smooth animation, we have to right-click on this last keyframe and select Ease In. Then, right-click on this first keyframe and select Ease Out. Now we are done. Our text animation is ready. Now, you can see the preview. You can use your skills to create more awesome text animations by using this Roughen Edges effect. Let's select another edge type, keeping all the settings. From here, I am going to select Rusty. Now, if we move the playhead few seconds forward, you can see the changes in the program monitor. Let's preview the animation. Remember one thing. It is possible to create many wonderful animations using your ideas. Let's select another edge type, keeping all the settings. From here, I am going to select Spiky. Now, if we move the playhead a few seconds forward, you can see the changes. Let's preview the animation. In this way, you can create incredible animation by using Roughen Edges effect. Again, let's select another edge type, keeping all the settings. From here, I am going to select Cut. Now, if we move the playhead a few seconds forward, you can see the changes in the program monitor. Let's preview the animation. In this way, you can make different title animations in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.